Chef Dawg. And remember, here at Chef Dawg, we cook Costco food and we review it and we taste it. This is a staple at Costco. This is the chicken pot pie, rotisserie chicken breast. Right here, here you go. Look at that. That thing has 1.5 pounds of rotisserie chicken in it. If you've shopped at Costco, you've seen this there. It's been there for years. It's real simple to cook. Look at that, that bad boy, that's heavy, that's hearty. I have a feeling that would feed a lot more people than in my family. So all you do, put it on a cooking pan and it goes in the oven for an hour and a half. I've got my oven pre-cooked or preheated. There you go. It's gonna go in the oven now for an hour and a half. Look at that. I would think it should be definitely done. It's a little burnt around the edges, but you know, more than anything you want it cooked in the middle, but that's nice and crusty. Now, I'm gonna let this sit here cool for a minute. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. Just gonna let it rest. I let it sit for about 5 minutes. It's still gonna be really hot, I know, but. It has carrots in there. It has onions. It has peas. Okay, ooh, check this out. Come on in. That's what it looks like. Got some type of sauce in there. We'll try this out and see what we think here. Lots of chicken. Lots of chicken. That's one thing Costco doesn't skimp on is their chicken. They always put a lot in whatever it is they're doing. So I don't taste a ton of, there was a lot of chicken there, but I can taste a lot of the other vegetables and stuff that are in it as well. An hour and a half definitely seems long enough. The carrots are nice and soft. It's not bad. I thought I'd had this a while back. I think we did. I just can't remember. I don't think I liked it that much then. For me, I like it, and I can see why a lot of people buy it. So lots of meat in there, good flavor. I'm gonna suggest breaking up the crust in the back and mixing it up here in the front so that every bite's just not a thing of meat, and then when you get to the back, it's just all crust. Let's have my brekkie and my wife come in and give this a shot. Don't say you. You haven't even tried it. Lately, you've been spitting everything out.
Oh,
yeah?
Rude. Not the meatballs.
Ooh, that crust mixed in with it, I liked it. It does smell like chicken noodle soup. I actually like it more than I thought I would, and especially when you mix it. When you mix that crust with everything, when you get a little bit of the crunch in there. What do y'all?
I think just because I'm hungry.
Oh, just because you're hungry, so you like it when you're hungry. If you weren't hungry, you don't think you'd like it.
I'm just not a fan of chicken pot pies.
Just in general?
Yeah, like the only other ones I've had are the Marie Calendar frozen ones.
And you don't like those?
Well, their vegetables aren't soft in those ones. But I don't think I'll eat that carrot.
Hey, Bracklin. Try the carrot. Those are nice and soft.
I'm just hungry.
I tried the carrot in the chicken.
Don't be even thinking about opening that garbage can.
That's dinner, girlfriend. I hope you like it.
Yeah, don't even think. You don't spit it out. This will be the last time you see Bracklin.
No.
Because she literally spits everything out, and you don't hate everything.
What do you like? You like the chicken, the crust?
I like the chicken and the carrot.
You like the chicken and the carrot, but you don't like the crust?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, well then you...
I'm gonna put myself right around a 7.2. Shauna, what are you thinking?
A 5.
A 5.
I'm at a 6 because I'm hungry.
So a 5 when she's not hungry, a 6 when she is hungry. All right.
Like I don't think I would get it again.
So you wouldn't get this again.
I don't think so.
So far we're not going back to Costco if it were up to my wife.
No, they have some good stuff. A lot of good stuff.
Oh, but nothing we make.
I don't know.
I'm not even gonna ask her. Hey, thanks for watching, Chef Dawg.
I give it
Hope you like our videos. If you do, keep watching them, enjoying them, and we'll keep bringing them to you.
I give 2.
A 2? Oh, Brecklin gave a 2. Yeah, well, I'm gonna give it a 7.2. Okay, have a good one. Bye.